chemistry is the study of matter. When we study matter, we study the matter in atomic and molecular scale. We know that we can touch or feel molecules. We can see the molecules. So what we do is we imagine molecules using models. We draw models and we create models. And in order to do that, one has to have certain creativity in their mind. The training that a student gets as a chemist is very versatile. That training opens students to many career paths.
So the types of experiences that students would be looking to have here at Rhodes to prepare them for a life or a career in chemistry really depends on the type of career that they want. So if they're going straight into industry or they're going straight into research, then they want to be doing undergraduate research with a faculty member or finding summer undergraduate research opportunities.
So how I got exposed to research here was actually with a professor, Dr. Eckenhoff. So I work in an inorganic chemistry research lab with Dr. Eckenhoff, studying sylvatic chromosome, and we mainly work with tungsten and molybdenum, and these molecules have been really well known to be used in dye-sensitized solar cells, which is another renewable energy resource that we're exploring. So we mainly focus on energy and how metals and metalloid complexes can assist us in creating energy.
If you're interested in doing things like health professions, then what you want to be doing is you want to be getting shadowing experience. Clinical research experience would be nice, and that'll be a good plus for you.
There's actually a free clinic I volunteer at. It's a collaboration between Rhodes, UTHSC, which is UT Medical School, and the clinic provides social services, legal services, and medical services for its patients, and it's free of charge. So I think that's been a very important experience for me to have in undergrad. So the goal right now is to become a physician. It's kind of something that I wanted all my life. And then after coming to Rhodes, the school is fantastic with helping students gain exposure to the field, and I've cemented my love for medicine even more.
Off campus, students have some great research opportunities, strategically because Rhodes is located in a city. And Rhodes is right next to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. We're right next to Bonheur Children's Hospital. And so both of those institutions have partnerships with Rhodes College where we can send students there to do research.
I think Rhodes does an excellent job of creating those opportunities to where I can have hands-on experience. My dream career path would definitely be, after I graduate Rhodes, getting into my top medical school. Right now that'd be UT Health Center here in Memphis. After that, I want to be an orthopedic surgeon, so definitely looking at treating the underserved community and hopefully joining a group practice.
And we'll use this as a starting point so that we can analyze interactions and compare.
I work in a computational lab with Dr. Stoddard. What I focus on is autoimmune diseases.
Some of the research that I do in my work is I look at a couple of things. On the autoimmunity side, we're pioneering a new approach to how to treat autoimmune disorders, which is a little bit different than what's currently been done because we're not trying to induce tolerance in the immune system. We're just trying to trick it to make it think the autoimmune disorder is not there.
Research experiences are important for students that are especially interested in going off into scientific careers of any kind. They can even have tangible outcomes like publications and possibly even patents in some cases.
I imagine a successful life after college would definitely include some aspect of research. That's really important to me. I started doing chemistry research as a freshman here, and so that's become an integral part of my life. So it's definitely something that I want to keep doing into my professional career.
Chemistry is often perceived as a difficult field, and it's important for students to feel like they could come up to us at any time. We go to great lengths to make sure that we're perceived as a friendly department.
Chemistry is not a difficult subject. In fact, it's a fantastic subject. It's a fantastic science. And so it will prepare you for not just one particular career path. It will open you to many different career paths. Please come, join us. We will help you. We will guide you to master this subject.